Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Iris from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about Ricoma TC-1501 single head embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems in troubleshooting: Ricoma TC-1501 single head embroidery machine. Introduction: welcome to digitizings.com. In this video, we will discuss some common problems that Ricoma TC-1501 single head embroidery machine owners face and how to troubleshoot them effectively. If you own this machine and have encountered any issues, this guide will help you resolve them quickly and keep your machine running smoothly. Thread breakage issues problem: the thread keeps breaking while embroidering. Causes and solutions: incorrect thread tension. Ensure that the upper and bobbin thread tensions are correctly adjusted. The thread should not be too tight or too loose. Damaged needle: replace the needle if it is bent or dull, as it can cause frequent thread breaks. Thread path obstruction: check for any thread entanglements or dirt in the thread path. Clean and rethread the machine properly. Poor quality thread: use high quality embroidery thread that is suitable for your machine. Bobbin thread not picking up. Problem: the needle does not catch the bobbin thread. Causes and solutions: incorrect bobbin placement. Ensure the bobbin is correctly placed in the bobbin case and wound properly. Hook timing issue: if the hook timing is off, the needle may not pick up the bobbin thread. A technician may need to adjust it. Dirty bobbin case: clean any dust or lint buildup in the bobbin case to allow proper thread flow. Skip stitches problem: the machine is skipping stitches while embroidering. Causes and solutions: low or incorrect needle. Replace the needle with the correct size and type for the fabric being used. Improper hooping: ensure that the fabric is hooped tightly and evenly to avoid movement during stitching. Tension issues: check the upper and lower thread tensions and adjust as necessary. Machine not starting or freezing. Problem: the machine does not start or gets stuck during embroidery. Causes and solutions: thread sensor error. Make sure the thread sensors are clean and functioning properly. Software issue: restart the machine and reload the design file to see if the issue is resolved. Hardware obstruction: check if anything is blocking the movement of the machine, such as excess fabric or debris. Design misalignment problem: the embroidery design does not align correctly. Causes and solutions: improper hooping. Always hoop the fabric tightly to prevent shifting. Loose belt or motor issues: if the machine belts are loose, the embroidery may not align properly. Technician may need to inspect this. Incorrect machine calibration: ensure that the machine is correctly calibrated before starting a new design. Conclusion: by following these troubleshooting tips, you can prevent many common issues with the Ricoma TC-1501 and keep your embroidery machine running smoothly. If the problem persists, consult your user manual or reach out to a Ricoma technician for further assistance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more embroidery tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching.
If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. You can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.